Good morning everyone. Today we start the lesson. See, what is the matter? Vikramveer, why do you look so worried? Who asked this question? Emperor Akbar asked to whom? Vikramveer. He is one of the minister. Okay, what is the matter? Vikramveer, क्या हो गया आपको? Why do you look so worried? आप क्यों इतना worry लगता है? Why? He replied. Who? Vikramveer replied, Janapana, all the valuables in my house were stolen by a thief last night. What happened? Why Vikramveer was very worried? Because he said that, Janapana, all the valuables in my house were stolen by a thief last night. What happened? All the valuables, gold, precious, stones, everything is, what happened? Everything were stolen. Who? By a theft. Okay? When? The last night. Last night, the thief stolen all the valuables in whose house? Vikramveer's house. Okay, so he was look worried. देखो next one. How is that possible? Suddenly he asked who? Akbar asked how it is possible? ये कैसे हो गया? You live in the safest area in the kingdom. ये कैसे हो गया? Who? You live in the safest area in the kingdom. आप एक एकदम सुरक्षित जगह में रहता है, फिर कैसे हो गया? How it is possible? है ना? देखो, Birbal, only you can solve the problem and catch the thief. Akbar called Birbal and asked that one, only you can solve the problem. Birbal, only you can solve this problem. You can find the thief. Okay, see the next, take the next page. See, the thief is definitely the work of another minister in the court. And no thief would dare to enter the house of a minister. What Birbal replied that one, this thief is definitely another minister, one of another minister, because no thief, the outside thief is not dare to enter the minister house. Clear? The thief is definitely the work of another minister in the court. एक कोर्ट का दूसरा एक मिनिस्टर किया होगा, बिकॉज दूसरा आउटसाइड वाला बाहर का एक थीफ को अंदर आके स्टोलन करना नहीं होता है, उतना हिम्मत नहीं है इनको. Okay, then Birbal said that get a donkey to the court and tie it to the pillar. उसका गार्ड को बोल दिया. What he said that one, he said to one of the guard to get a donkey and tie it to the pillar. But he said to the guard, get a donkey and tie it to the pillar. एक डोंकी को लेके आके कोर्ट में बांध के रखो. Everyone must touch the donkey's tail and say, I have not stolen. In the court, how many ministers are there? All the ministers, they are catch the donkey's tail and say that I have not stolen. मैं stole नहीं किया, मैं चोरी नहीं किया. Every ministers are coming and they catch the donkey's tail and say that I have not stolen. See the next one. Every ministers are over. Then Birbal said that Janapana, Alim Khan is the thief. He said that who? Akbar said that, Birbal said that Janapana, the Alim Khan is the thief. Alim Khan is my thief. But how do you know Alim Khan is the thief? Akbar asked that, how do you know? आपको कैसा पता है Alim Khan is a thief? See, I had applied a black paint to the donkey's tail. Birbal replied that I had applied black paint to the donkey's tail. What he do it? He applied a black paint to the donkey's tail. And all the ministers except Alim Khan have a black patch on their palms. What happened? Every minister except Alim Khan का अलावा बाकी सारा minister they catch the donkey's tail and have a patch up on their palms. उसको सारा मिनिस्टर्स आके इसका डोंकी का टेल में पकड़ कैच किया है. सो एवरीवन हैव ए ब्लैक पैच अप इन देयर हैंड्स. बट who are not catch the donkey's tail? Only Alim Khan. See, out of fear that he would be caught, Alim Khan only pretended to touch the donkey's tail. What Alim Khan do it? Alim Khan only touched the donkey's tail. He was not catch the tail. He was only touch the tail. So he never actually touched it. Yeah, बाकी ministers, the rest of the ministers have a black patch in their palms, but Alim Khan only touched the tail. Clear? So Birbal understood that Alim Khan is the thief. Clear this one? Okay, everyone read this lesson 2-3 times. Okay, bye.